Okay, we're shooting about 1.25 pounds of Tannerite in a metal bowl out in the pond next to the dock. It's tied off to the dock with some twine. That's still setting up out there. And hopefully, if everything goes right, the force should go down and we'll get a percussion wave that should maybe bring some fish.
Yep!
So, it looks good, Dylan. Well then, hurry up! And we're going to be shooting with the 7 mil mag. Hey Dylan! It'll be fine.
Stay there and watch it. Okay. Hurry up! What's my dog?
I bet everything.
Oh yeah, I can see that perfectly.
Yeah, I bet everything down to the entire.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I gotta fix it.
Ready to go? Are we ready?
Yep, sure. Sure thing, Mom.
Good, man.
Better hurry, it's gonna go behind the dock.
Oh my God!
Woo! Look at how far the
Where's our bowl?
Look how far the pieces went over there.
Where did the bowl go?
What's that over there?
You can see only a pound.
Yeah.
You can see the pieces. You gotta be kidding me.
A pound and like a half, maybe.
1.25 pounds about.
Oh.
It worked.
Yeah.